Hey guys, another unicorn theme cake. So a day before, ginawa ko na po yung lollipop na cake topper. So ako lang po yung gumagawa niyan, yes. And then the size of the cake is 8 by 5 inches and the flavor is mango. And sa nakikita nyo, ang cake base niya is chiffon cake po guys. And hindi na to bago na design for me guys kasi pang-apat na yata itong gawa ko tong design na to. Bentang-benta po siya na unicorn theme na design. At yun, merong details na ganyan sa cake. So pink color na may paka-purple. Ni-scrape ko lang siya sa bottom para may ganyang effect. And then, yan, printed topper yung gamit ko. And then, yung mga balls is edible. Chocolate balls po yan, gawa ng chocolate. And then, yan po yung gawa kong lollipop earlier na pinakita ko sa videos. And, ayan na po yung finished product. O, diba? Ang ganda. Shoutout pala sa order nito. Thank you so much. Last September pa po ito late upload. Thank you for watching. Bye!